How do I contact Venmo support? Intro. Hey there, you're having a blast with your friends, splitting the bill for dinner. You quickly whip out Venmo to settle your share, but then, disaster strikes. You can't find the payment option. Panic sets in. What do? Hook. You've come to the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Venmo support. I'm here to guide you through the maze of options, ensuring you're never left stranded in a digital payment limbo. Building context. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why Venmo support might be necessary. Whether you're dealing with a glitchy app, a missing payment, or a security concern, having a reliable way to reach out is crucial. Main content. So, how do you actually contact Venmo support? Let's explore the various avenues available. 1. In-app support. The easiest and often quickest way to get help is right within the Venmo app itself. Here's how. Help Center, look for a help or support section within the app settings. This usually contains FAQs and troubleshooting tips. Contact form, if you can't find a solution through FAQs, most apps have a contact form where you can describe your issue. 2. Venmo's website. If you prefer to access support from your computer, head over to Venmo's official website. You'll likely find a dedicated support section with similar resources to the in-app help center. 3. Social media. Venmo is active on various social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook. Try reaching out to their official accounts through direct messages or public comments. They often respond promptly to queries posted there. 4. Email. If you have a complex issue or prefer to communicate via email, Venmo usually provides a support email address on their website. Be sure to include all relevant details in your message. Additional tips. When contacting Venmo support, be as specific as possible about your problem. Include screenshots or transaction details if applicable. This will help them assist you more efficiently. If you're experiencing a time-sensitive issue, such as a missing payment, consider using the in-app support or social media options for a quicker response. Remember to be patient and polite when interacting with Venmo support. They're there to help, and a friendly demeanor can go a long way. Troubleshooting common issues. Let's address some common problems you might encounter and how to resolve them. Payment issues. If a payment is missing or not appearing, double-check the recipient's username and ensure you have sufficient funds. If the issue persists, contact Venmo support. App glitches. If the Venmo app is freezing or crashing, try updating it to the latest version. If that doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall the app. Security concerns. If you suspect unauthorized access to your account, change your password immediately and contact Venmo support. Conclusion. With these tips and resources, you are well equipped to navigate the world of Venmo support. Remember, don't hesitate to reach out if you encounter any problems. A little assistance can go a long way in ensuring a smooth and enjoyable Venmo experience. End. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Remember, if you have any further questions or need more specific help, feel free to leave a comment below.